This is an assignment we had to do in English about airport security before and after 9/11 in the United States.
Before 9/11, only some bags were screened. They were only screened if the passengers' behavior were a bit suspicious. Before 9/11, people were allowed to wait at the gate lines without a passport. The airport hired people even though they had a criminal record, and travelers could arrive at the airport just a couple of minutes before departures. Employees were not trained to keep an eye out of suspicious behavior because it could offend the passengers. The airport had some CCTV cameras, but only at the checkout and gate line. Airplanes only had one or maximum two air marshals because of the expense.
After 9/11, the airport security was forced to go through a thorough investigation. Throughout the investigation, federal people decided that the security had to undergo a massive transformation. All US airports started a new process where they had to screen 100% of checked baggage before explosives. Passengers had to go through far more safety procedures which continuously evolved. The employees at the checkout in the airport were all given handheld metal detectors to thoroughly check the passengers. A new thing called watch lists were also created to prevent people suspected of having terrorist links from flying.
They have been taught to engage in conversations with passengers to verify or dispel suspicious behavior. Bulletproof doors were installed to prevent unauthorized access, and CCTV cameras were put up so the pilots could monitor the cabin activity. All the safety guards had to carry guns and went through training to learn to operate them. More air marshals were hired on the flights to improve the security. All safety guards with a criminal record were fired and new ones were hired. Some new clear changes in the airport are that specific ID required. The ID name must match the name on the ticket.
When people reach the checkpoints, they have to remove their shoes as a precaution. Travelers are not allowed to bring liquids through the checkpoints if they are over 3.4 ounces. Jackets, coats, hats, and other outwear clothes has to be removed when you go through the checkpoints.
When they go through the checkpoint, they have to walk through a body scan machine which ups the security and makes it easier to see if people have anything on them. Relatives, friends, and generally people waiting on the flight passengers are no longer allowed to wait at the gates if they do not have a ticket.
The most drastic change at the airport is that you are no longer allowed to arrive at the airport at the last minute. You have to be at the airport 2 hours before flight departure, and the airport is very strict with that rule. Passengers also have to empty their pockets and take off their belts for safety reasons. Laptops have to be removed from the luggage, and the amount of employees have been doubled since 9/11.
So this is a short description of how it changed from before and after 9/11.
Okay.